First Noel, the angels did say, was a certain poor shepherd.
Hello and welcome to Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. And I'm Stephanie and I'm glad you're here. Now, have you ever felt like you wanted your home to be beautiful and work for the actual life that you're living right now? Then if that's you, then you're in the right place. Now today we're continuing on with my Christmas decor. Now I'm decorating my fireplace for Christmas. Now I didn't do a lot of flash and dash, and there's only a couple of things on here that are new for this year. And I'm just going to stop talking and let you watch me decorate my fireplace for Christmas. Now the new items are the garland, and that beautiful pine garland. I ordered that off of Amazon. I think it was 2 packages, and it was each one is like 6 feet. I have it on the formal dining room table, and I added the other ones to my fireplace. Now those bales, that is 2 sets of bales I ordered from Amazon back in the summer, to be exact. The gold bowl, I've had that I think I purchased that at the 99 cents only store before they left us, dearly departed. And then the blinking lights, those are garland lights that I purchased years ago at Walmart. Now the black candle holders were thrifted. The little gold trees on top of the black candle holders, those were my mom's. These stockings, there are 3 here, and yes, I saw that one was backwards, and it was driving a girl crazy. So, of course, I had to stop and straighten it up, right? Well, these 3 stockings, they were my mom's, so I thought they were perfect for what I was going with this year. The white, gold, and black, and green and white. The gold Christmas tree on the top, that was one of my mom's, so I have one on top of each black candlestick, the black wrought iron Christmas tree that was purchased at Walmart, and then the other candle holder that was thrifted, and the glass vase on top came from the Dollar Tree. Now this star, I call it the North Star, that was my mom's. It has a light in the back of it, but I think I need to get a brighter one so it'll have more, pizzazz, stand out more when I show it. Now the wrought iron Christmas trees, they came in, a small and a large. I should have grabbed 2 large ones, but I don't know why I did the large and the smaller one. But I think they came out really pretty with the way I wanted to do it. Very simple, very elegant, to go with the woodsy kind of theme I was doing this year with my formal dining room. And I think it came out really cute. I really like it. It's not too overwhelming. It's red on touch with a simple black, white, and green and gold Christmas. And I think it turned out really well. Let me know down below what you think of it. I really love reading your comments. And also, I want to thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you're feeling inspired to create a space that's both beautiful and perfectly for you without breaking the bank. Now, don't forget you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The links are below. I love to connect with you on there. And I'll see you next time here on Creatively Miss Me.